Welcome. Let's explore how to find your saved posts on LinkedIn. It's simple and quick, so let's dive in. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Click on your profile picture at the top right to access the drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Save Posts. This will show you all the content you've saved for easy access. Here, you'll see a list of all your saved posts. Scroll through to find the ones you're interested in. To revisit a post, simply click on it. This takes you back to the original post for full details. And that's it. You now have all your saved posts at your fingertips. Happy networking! Consider saving valuable content as you browse LinkedIn. This keeps essential information handy for later. Regularly review your saved posts to stay updated with industry trends and insights. Share useful posts with your network. This encourages knowledge sharing and community engagement. That's all for today. Empower your LinkedIn experience by utilizing the Saved Posts feature. Like this video and subscribe for more tips to enhance your LinkedIn journey. Thanks for watching. See you next time with more tips.